Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for watching. I am going to start the disassembly of this engine for the 1968 Mercury Cougar. It's a Ford 302. I've had one of these apart in the past and rebuilt it, so I will bring you guys with when I do this one. It is stuck, as many of you have probably seen from the last episode. I cleaned the engine off with a pressure washer. That's why there's water on it. Nice and rusty in the inside. I'm gonna do some of this by hand first, so I know they'll come out. Then I'll use the power tool. I have been bagging and tagging everything, by the way, which I would highly recommend. "30 minutes later, I did get it loose. I know there are studs in here, but I did put a block of wood up against here, hit it with the hammer, block of wood up against here, hit it with the hammer a few times. Then I took this big pry bar, snuck it in here, not on the aluminum case, pried up on it, just gently, and I started to hear some slight little cracks. I knew it was breaking loose, and there we go. Now that's loose. Okay. I'm not going to be able to make it past with the distributor in. Gonna have to think about this. I think now I'm gonna go after the exhaust manifolds because it might be easier to take off right now. It's nice to see these come loose because I know they can be some trouble. I'm realizing to continue on, the intake has to come off. Because without the intake moved out of the way, I can't get these heads out because I remembered they have dowels holding them in. So I've been finagling with this, and it looks like it will come out with some persuasion. That was my fingers. Oh, there we have it. Good thing it's light. It's not a 390 or 360, that's for sure. Yeah. So this is what we're working with now. Pretty nasty. If this is any indication of what the cylinder walls look like, it's gonna be tough to save this engine. Oh, full of water. Not too concerned about the order of these since I'm going to get new ones. Here's the other side. My camera filled up with storage, so anyways, yeah. This side looks pretty rough. Though there is still some shiny right there. No shiny here. No shiny over here either. The heads look about the same. So I'm gonna vacuum this up and we'll see what we have. I took the oil pan off. This is what we have inside.